Adhesive coating position. Before production and every 2 hours during production. QC measures the adhesive thickness to ensure the adhesive thickness meets required standards. 100% in-process inspection. During production, 100% industrial CCD precision inspection and Voyantic Tagsurance RFID reading performance. Testing are conducted to ensure all products meet quality standard. Any non-conforming NG items are clearly marked and handled accordingly. Quality inspection process. Non-conforming NG products identified during the lamination process are replaced with qualified items. Additional appearance checks are conducted to ensure that 100% of the delivered products meet quality standards. Professional quality control team that implements strict monitoring across the entire process from raw materials and production to inspection, packaging, and shipment. We have successfully passed the ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification for consecutive years and consistently serve our customers with the highest quality standards.